Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy wheat in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a general goods store, like this one right here in Mondstadt. So the general goods store is signified by the sack icon right here. Go near it, and then press F to interact. So select the first option. So here are all the items general goods store sells. Search for wheat, which is right over here. Click on it, and on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called purchase. Click on it. As you can see, this item is going to cost 90 Mora to buy. So to purchase it, just click on this purchase button right here, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!